my dear friends, I shot this video especially for one of my followers. This video will be a short. And also, if you guys have any questions, you guys can write them in the comments section. So let's get started. Now I have here some case add-on which shows what case I pressed to, like HD, like this. So if you guys don't understand what I'm doing or what I'm pressing to, you guys can just look over here. Now I will click over here to front view, then go to add image and then go to reference, then bring the reference you want to model like this. Now I'm going to move it upwards between G and Z, then I'm going to hold shift to move it a bit slower, and I'm going to move it backwards between G, Y like this. And now we can start modeling it. Now go back to add, then go to mesh, then add a cube. Now we can move it upwards with G, Z again, and then hold Ctrl, then click 1, 2 or 3 to add a subdivision surface modifier, and then click over here, then click to apply or just go to the modifier, then hold Ctrl, then click A. Now move it upwards over here, then press to S to scale it, then hold Shift and Z to scale at every axis except Z, like this. Now go to edit mode by pressing over here, then go to edit mode, or by pressing tab. And here we are going to have so many geometry. Now hold Alt and Z to open the X-ray mode, then hold Ctrl, then deselect these parts. Like this. Now click to G, then Z, then move it downwards over here.